Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add an NGL or a next great link to your Instagram story from scratch using the mobile app. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and you're going to need two things. Those two things being the next great link app on your phone as well as Instagram. And the reason this is so easy is because all of the integrations are built in, and all you guys really have to do is you want to first open the NGL or the Next Great Link app on your phone, and then you want to copy the link. So as soon as you open up the app, an interface should pop up where you have a two-step process where you'd first copy the link, and then next there would be a share button. So when you guys click on the share button rather, a new window will pop up asking you where you'd want to share the NGL link. So a couple of integrations here would be Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So obviously from this selection, you would pick Instagram. And because all of the functions are built in, what's going to happen is it's going to redirect you to the Instagram app where you get to add a story as well as a link overlay for it for NGL. And when you do, you guys should be done. That's all it really takes. So yeah, that's a video. So from there, simply hit share and add the link that you just copied, and you should call it a day. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.